Hello again everybody, and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can charge businesses by improving their websites. Now if you're out there and you don't know what an SSL certificate is, if you ever looked on your search bar there where you see my padlock is, and when you press it it'll say connection is secure, that's HTTPS. Now HTTP is an older version before they made websites secure. Now there's a lot of local businesses out there that still have HTTP, and that's who we're going to target today. So I've googled profitable niches for local businesses, and these are all who you can reach out to. So you've got roofing, plumbing, electricians, house cleaning, mold removal, and this is only a few. There's hundreds more. Just have to Google most profitable niches for local businesses and you'll find lots more. But okay, so how I do it is you can do a thing called Google Dorking, and all you have to do is in your Google search bar is just type in URL, no space, and then 2 dots, no space, and then HTTP, and then your 2 dots and your 2 forward slashes, and then whatever you want to search for, plumber or mold removal, whatever you want, and just press search, and you'll get all your websites then, all of them, HTTP, and just simply click on your website, find out their email address or phone number if you're confident enough, and just basically send them an email telling them that their website is not secure and that they need an SSL certificate, and you'd be willing to do it for them. I mean, I know you probably sat there thinking I don't even know how to fit one or anything, but it's not a problem because there's ways that I can show you. I mean, if you go to YouTube, there's lots of videos out there that show you how you can install HTTPS SSL certificates. And it is what it is really, and it is just a certificate that's written by Google to say that this site is secure. That's all it is, and it goes in your cPanel. But if you don't want to do that, you can go to a site called Fiverr.com. I'll leave the link in the description for you to go to. But you just type in your search bar Fiverr.com, and then when you come to Fiverr, just type in Find Services, just type in, I'll show you, just type in Install SSL Certificate there, and you'll get all these. And I would definitely go with somebody that's got reviews, because you know they're tried and tested. And I mean, if you're going to charge your business and you are new to this, I mean, some people charge a lot, but if I were you and you were starting out and you want to get business, I'd say charge them £100, and then you can come here, ask them to fit it. That's £85 profit for you. And as you get better at it, you can start charging more, and I'll be bringing more videos out of other services that you can offer them, businesses like Google and all of the kind of ways. But that's it for today. I can't think of anything else that I need to tell you. Yeah, that's it. Okay everybody, and I'll be back tomorrow with another video.